everybody, before I let another month go by and don't show y'all what's on my nails, let me show y'all what's on my nails. Okay, so I was gonna do something really Halloweenish, but I was like, no, because I'm gonna be stuck with that for the whole month, and Halloween only come on one day, and I'm gonna be stuck with these Halloween nails. So I decided to get something not necessarily Halloweenish, but I don't even know how to describe it. I just decided to go left with what I thought I was gonna get, and I just came up with this myself because I was like, okay, I love ombre. Ombre is so pretty, and my nail tech that I normally go to, she was sick, so she couldn't do my nails, and this girl named Lena did my nails, and I was kind of skeptic, so I was like, let me get something simple. But then I knew I wanted a 3D design, so I was like, I just want a flower on my nails. So yeah, without further ado, because I want this video to be longer than it needs to be, these are my nails. I decided to get them reshaped because I know y'all know I've been wearing the coffin nails, so I decided to go stiletto, but not a sharp stiletto, kind of a rounded stiletto. But those are my nails, and we did a like a nude peachy color here with gray there, and then she did the 3D flower. If my phone will focus. Hopefully it focused. Focus. So yeah, those are my nails. I think she did really good, and y'all know when they do our nails, because my cousin goes there now as well, but when they do our nails typically last 3 weeks to a month. So we spend money on our nails, but they last and it's quality. This set did cost me 71 bucks, and that's because our ombres are $55 off top, and then I got the 3D, and I got the takeoff of the coffin nails and had them do the stiletto nails. So $71 altogether, but like I said, 3 weeks, and I don't have to go back, and I might be able to stretch it to a month, because even when I go back every 3 weeks, it's like my nails like barely have grown, like seriously. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but I was like, let me get on here and show them what's on my nails, because I don't think I did one last month. I think it's totally slipped my mind, and it was a really pretty fall color. It was like a burnt orange and a nude, and it was really pretty, and I didn't get a chance to show you guys, so I decided to come show y'all this time. So I'm finna get out of here. Remember, if nobody told you you're beautiful, remember simplikeii will always tell you you are beautiful, and this is what's on my nails. Bye.